Namaste, I'm Koettig, and welcome to this guided meditation for healing anxiety, PTSD, stress, and those moments of panic. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, then take this time to come home to yourself, to breathe, to release, and to remember that you are not alone. I will be with you through every moment and every breath of this meditation. Find your way into a comfortable meditative position. Whether that's seated or lying down, make sure that you can be both comfortable and alert. The posture isn't as important as your ability to let go and pay attention to the moment. As you settle in, close your eyes if it feels okay. And just let out a big sigh of relief because you have made it. You made it. And give yourself permission to be here and allow yourself some time to arrive. You don't have to force yourself to do anything or be anything you're not. Simply breathing and being here is enough. And then slowly take a deep breath in through the nose and a soft emptying out breath through the mouth. Again, just like that, a few more times. Inhale nice and slow. Exhale steady and complete. If right now you feel your mind is racing, that's perfectly fine. Just let the mind be as it is. Just come back to resting your awareness on the breath, the here and now. And as you rest the awareness, the focus on the breath, you may start to see that anxiety is just energy without direction. So start to give that energy somewhere to land, somewhere to be. And you can rest the energy in the moment, on the breath, or you can even imagine resting the energy just outside of you, in front of you. Like you're allowing it to just sit on the ground in front of you and be. And then notice your body. Allow your awareness to float from the breath to the body. And just notice what it's like to be in your body in this moment. And you can feel the body and where it makes contact with the chair, the ground, the earth, wherever you are. And start to zero in like a laser beam, focus. Try to send your focus to that contact that your body makes with what is supporting it. You are here. You are right here in time and space, right here. Let that realization that you are here with me in this moment, you are safe, you are supported, and you are not alone. Let that feel like support. Feel into that support. And now start to gather up your awareness from that place that it was resting, or your body met the earth or met the chair. Start to call your awareness through the physical body, through fingers and toes, arms and legs. Start to call all of your awareness back. Let it rest in your heart space. And you might place one hand on your heart or both hands on your heart if that feels right. And let a full body sigh go. And start to send love and compassion from your hands into your heart. Let the sound of my voice and the love and compassion in my presence also filter its way into your heart. You may even whisper to yourself in this moment, I am safe. I am safe. Hear me, friend. You are safe. Sometimes anxiety and panic may be the body remembering a time that you were not safe. So right now, gently remind your body and your heart, even your mind, that this is a new moment and that you are safe now. You may even whisper to yourself, I am not where I once was. I am right here, right now. And I am safe. Let those words sink deep into the steadiness of your heartbeat. Let the energy, the vibration of this moment of safety, of compassion, of togetherness sink into every cell of your body. Tears come, let them come. If calm comes, let it rise. Trust that whatever arises here is part of your healing. And take a deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale. And now imagine a soft golden light slightly above you and slightly before you, maybe even a little bit to the left and right. Just imagine this light, warm, gentle, loving. This is the light and energy from your higher self. Imagine this light starting to pour in through you in every direction. From your forehead, softening your eyes, relaxing your jaw, even melting tension in your shoulders and neck. And let this light travel through your chest, into your heart. The light continues to expand to your belly and your hips, through your legs, all the way into your feet. You are filled with this golden healing light. You are wrapped in warmth, love, and acceptance. Pause and acknowledge that you are not broken. You are whole and you are healing. Rest here for just a few more moments, filled with the energetics and the vibrancy of this loving light of your true self. The part of you that has been perfectly preserved and untouched throughout whatever trauma, whatever experience you have gone through in your life. You are not broken. And now take a deep breath in and open mouth, exhale. Start to bring your awareness back to your physical body and to your surroundings, taking as much time here as you'd like to adjust, to shift, and to return to your life. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. I want to acknowledge you for the bravery and the courage it takes to turn within yourself in moments of high anxiety and panic and stress. So please be gentle with yourself throughout the rest of the day, and I truly hope that this was helpful in some way. Namaste.